Every city has a story, and every story begins with a journey. This is BC Road, a place where roads don't just connect destinations, they connect dreams, memories, and countless lives. As the first rays of sunlight touch the streets, the city slowly wakes up. Shops open their doors, people begin their day, and every face carries a hope for something better. Life moves fast here, but if you pause for just a moment, you'll realize that every passing stranger has a story worth telling. As the day fades into evening, the golden light paints the sky, and the city transforms into something truly beautiful. The glow of streetlights, the movement of traffic, and the calm after a busy day create a feeling that words can barely describe. BC Road is more than just a junction. It is a place where people meet, where journeys begin, and where memories are made. Every road has witnessed thousands of smiles, silent struggles, heartfelt goodbyes, and joyful reunions. These streets don't just lead to places, they carry emotions. Sometimes, the most beautiful destinations are not the famous ones. They are the places that quietly become a part of your heart. So, if life ever brings you here, don't just pass through. Slow down, look around, and truly feel the soul of this city. Welcome to BC Road, where every road tells a story and every journey becomes a memory.